Okay, in this video we're going to go through how to wipe your phone securely and make it available to sell to somebody else so they can still use it. With Android you have to remove your accounts from Google, otherwise when the new person gets it they won't be able to do anything without having your login credentials. This is a security feature to stop people stealing your phone and resetting it. So here we go. The first thing you need to do is go to Settings. This is on a stock Android device, it might be slightly different. So just drag this down, click on the little settings icons on the bottom right here. Then you just need to scroll down till you get to your accounts, which is here. If you have multiple accounts, you'll need to remove them all. In this case, we only have one, so we click on it. Go down to here, click on Remove Account, and then press the Remove Account button. If you have a PIN number, it'll ask you to put it in at this point. So you'll need to put it in after this. I wasn't able to record that, but you will have to put it in. So once the account's removed, it's now safe to go in and factory reset the device. So you go down to System, you might need to go into the Advanced menu, Reset Options, and Factory Reset. This is going to wipe everything on the device, and then once the new people get it, they'll be able to go through and install it with a new email address, and you shouldn't have any problems. So you just click erase everything and you're all done. So just make sure that you go through and remove your accounts before selling your phone, otherwise the new people won't be able to do anything with it. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.